Hello my dear old friends, how are you? I hope you are all well. This is our third lecture. Live lecture about S and DS means supply and demand. So without time waste, we start now. See here first, understand the first this point. We have how many types supply and demand? And we how to make sure this supply or this demand will work? Will not work. Let's see. Link ABC really base really. This is our demand zone completely. This is our demand zone. See here drop base drop 0 AB. See. This is our completely supply zone. Now see. Yes, we find this place here. And this supply or demand we find as a reversal pattern. In reversal pattern 超过我 low. If our market is overbought, so our fund and drop this supply zone. And if our market is oversold, so we find demand zone with this really base. Really see this. And we this all understand you at live chart. This is our second type of supply and demand. C0 AB. See, this is our supply zone 0 ABC. This is our demand zone. And why we should be, this is our supply. See here low L, BD market low breakdown. Previous low breakdown, so this is our supply zone balance. See here high HBO high breakout. This is our resistance area market breakout, this. So this is our demand zone. See structure here. Low, lower, low, lower, low, lower, low, lower, low, lower, high, lower, high, lower, high, lower, high, lower, high. Market breakdown, and remember, this is not our supply demand, this is our resistance. Support, resistance, support. Resistance, support, resistance. Support, resistance. Our support breakdown or our low breakdown LBD. So this is our valid supply zone. If market no breakdown low or support. So this is not our valid supply when market breakdown. Previous low so are high. Lower high is supply when market high breakout. So our support is demand. Otherwise we not can see the demand. LBD low breakdown. This is our supply zone LBD. Low breakdown, this is our supply zone. LBD low breakdown. This is our supply zone. If we live in market, this is our divergence. Divergences mean market telling us we're not going up or going down. This is bullish divergence. So see here really base really. In SM method we say this move impulse move. But we see here really base. Really see this demand zone. Really base really 0 ABC. 0 ABC. So our this supply. See our this supply breakout would really base really. So that we have now the demand zone valid. Because our supply breakout. Our resistance, first resistance or supply breakout, here. See low, 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 high. Higher, high. Our demand zone. This is our higher high. Lower, low. QM zone show our first entry. This end our second entry. This end our stop loss for this. I hope you understand. If you have any question, you can ask via Telegram or via mail. See live chart. SCAD. SCAD. See here, this is our high, higher high. Higher high, higher high, higher high. This is our low, lower. Low, lower, low, lower, low, lower. Low, lower, low. This structure is simply resistance support. Resistance support, resistance support. But remember, when we take entry, we mark all areas, because we understand which our zone already used, and which our demand or supply is fresh. See here, market high breakout. HBO high breakout, so our this demand is valid. But remember now, this demand already retested. So we cannot use this demand for buying. Now we see here, this is our fresh demand zone. This please again understand high breakout. So this is our demand zone. But this demand already retested. This demand is not retested. So we can use this area for buy. Again, see here, high breakout. Resistance breakout. This is not supply because this may equal supply. If there's low breakdown, this is only resistance or high. High breakout, so this is our valid demand zone. But you see here, when my high breakout, this is our demand zone. Market directly did not break this. Understand this point. Market respect this demand because high breakout. And you can go up again. Market respect this area and go up here. Market can break down this area here and then go up. Because this demand zone, this is our demand zone. This is our support area. Then market break out this high. So now this is our demand zone. Because this high breakout, and this is our demand zone. But see, this demand zone already retested. We have this demand only if USD card. I will directly target win this. Market again break out this high. So this is our valid demand zone. If market break out this high, so this was our valid demand zone. Now see other chart. See about H4 chart, Euro card, our new chart. High, low. Lower, lower. So understand here our first resistance breakout. HBO high breakout, this is our valid demand zone. High breakout, our demand zone is this. UH this demand zone not yet retested. Again high breakout, this is our demand zone. See here, market first retested directly, now break down this area. When market high here, understand high. Low market, also LBD low breakdown this area. So this is our fresh supply zone. See market breakdown are low. Then make this area is supply. Otherwise this is not supply. This is not supply. This is not supply. This is not supply, only high. Higher high, or we can say this only this is resistance. Now we understand market. In euro here directly cannot break out this supply. Market retested here and easily can go down here, retest or go down. This is our first TP. If we sell your account now, sell more, sell. Stop loss, and this was our TP. Market has so many methods. Our team will understand you step by step on how we use S&R, how we use S&D, how we use Fibonacci. We have all setups. We see again the chart. This is our third chart, Euro JP. YC here. This is our low. Lower, low, lower, low. High, higher, high. Higher, high, higher, high. See here. This is our resistance. Resistance, resistance, high breakout. So this is our valid demand zone. Market no retested here, but this is not. We have fresh demand zone. See here again, market again. High breakout resistance, HBO high breakout. Show this high breakout. So this is our valid demand zone. Fresh demand zone again. High breakout because Euro JP, why have now? $72 80% bullish pressure. When market breakdown first trend. Show out selling. This was then we see about sell. So this was RTP because this is how again. See this demand already retested. Show this demand used because high breakout. This is our demand zone. This my demand zone already retested. So when market clear. UH here to sell. So this was our first TP. Because this is our fresh demand zone. This demand is demand. This demand already used, see high breakout. Show this point we're telling us this demand already used. This demand not already retested. So this is our fresh demand zone. Our third lecture will soon upload in next 1 week. So if you have any question, you can ask anytime. Remember from our chain, lifetime subscription 95% off as an advance. Happy Christmas! So our this subscription will be continued. The 28th of December, 2025. Take care yourself then. You.